Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So we're going to start with the chapter Subtraction Skill Builders. Here I am on grade 1 math. Here is the chapter we're going to start with Subtraction Skill Builders. So let's just start with the chapter. We have already completed all the lessons from aplusstudents.com from mathematics sections. So if you need help with any of the lesson, you can just write down the lesson name in the chat box. For the next session, I will cover the lesson you need help for. So let's subtraction skill builders lesson 1, that is subtracting 1. So let's just start. So today we are going to learn how do we subtract 1 from the numbers. So let's start with example 1, subtract 7 take away 1. So we're going to learn how do we subtract 1 from 7. So subtracting 1 means you just go back by one number. Like you have 7, you can make 7 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have to remove 1. Then the number that is 1 back is 6. You can count the lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means subtracting 1 means you go back by 1. So it would be 7 take away 1 equals 6. Okay, here is the table. You can also just have a look on the table. Like 1 take away 1 is 0. 2 take away 1 is 1. 3 take away 1 is 2. 4 take away 1, 3. 5 take away 1 is 4. 6 take away 1 is 5. 7 take away 1 is 6. 8 take away 1 is 7. 9 take away 1 is 8. And 10 take away 1 is 9. So also you can remember this table. The next example is 9 take away 1. 9 take away 1. You just have to go back by one number. So the number that is 1 back 9 is 8. 9 take away 1 is 8. Either you can make lines, or if you are perfect with counting, you can just see which number is behind 9. It is 8. So 9 take away 1 is 8. Let's just start with the practice questions. So the first one is subtract 1 take away 1. 1 take away 1. Just go back by one number. So we have 0. So 1 take away 1 is 0. So the correct option is 0. Okay, the next one is subtract 2 take away 1. The next one is 2 take away 1. So you have to go back by 1, or also you can just make 2, remove one of them, and you are left with just one line. So 2 take away 1 equals 1. So the correct option is 1. The next one is 5 take away 1. So let's just make 5 lines, 1 2 3 4 5. Just remove one of them and count the rest of the lines. How many of the lines we're left with? 1 2 3 4. So 5 take away 1 is 4. If you already know the answers, you can just use the chat box option. Just write the answers in the chat box. So 5 take away 1 is 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is 1 take away 1. So 1 take away 1 is, we have already done 1 take away 1 on the board. So 1 take away 1 is 1 take away 1 is 0. So the correct option is 0. The next one is 8 take away 1. 8 take away 1 is, you have to just go back by one number. So 8 take away 1 is 7, or either you can make 8 lines, remove one of them, and you are left with 7. So the correct option is 7. The next one is 2 take away 1. So just make 2 lines and remove one of them. So you are left with 1. So 2 take away 1 is 1. So the correct option is 1. The next one is 4 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You can just make 4 lines and remove one of them, and or you can go back by 1. So when you go back by 1, 4 take away 1 is, so the correct option is 3. So 4 take away 1 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The next one is 3 take away 1. So 3 take away 1 is, you just have to go back by 1. So 3 take away 1 is 2. So the correct option is 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. The next one is 7 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You are given 4 of the options: 8, 5, 1 and 6. So which option is the correct one? You can just write down the correct option in the chat box. I can see your messages. So 7 take away 1 is, 7 take away 1 is 6. So the correct option is 6. The next one is subtract 2 take away 1. So 2 take away 1 is, we've already done this one on the board. So 2 take away 1 is, yes, you have to go back by 1. So it is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. The next 8 take away 1. 8 take away 1 is, 8 take away 1 is 7. So 8 take away 1 is 7. The correct option is 7. You can go back by one number, so that would be 7. The next one is subtract 4 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You are given 4 of the options: 5, 2, 3, and 0. So which is the correct one? 4 take away 1. Make 4 lines and remove one of them, and you can count the rest of the lines. So you are left with 3. So 4 take away 1 is 3. The correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is 7 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You have to go back by one number, so it would be, you are given 4 of the options. They are 6, 8, 0, and 5. So 7 take away 1 is, yes, it is 6. So 7 take away 1 is 6. The next take away 1. 6 take away 1 is, you have to go back by one number. So 6 take away 1 is 5. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is 8 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You can just make 8 lines and remove one of them, and you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just remove one of the line. So we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 8 take away 1 is 7. So the correct option is 7. The next one is 9 take away 1. So which is the correct option? You are given 4 of the options. They are 7, 8, 0, and 10. Which one is the correct one? 9 take away 1 is 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. If you still need help with the lesson, you can just contact any tutor on the screen. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Okay, the next one is subtracting. To start with the next one. Now we're going to learn how do we subtract. You can use exactly the same method. Subtracting 2 means you can go back by 2 numbers. Got it? Also, you can remember how to subtract 2. Here is the table. You can just keep this table in your mind. 2 take away 2 is 0. 3 take away 2 is 1. 4 take away 2 is 2. 5 take away 2 is 3. 6 take away 2 is 4. 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 2 is 6. 9 take away 2 is 7. 10 take away 2 is 8, and 11 take away 2 is 9. The important thing is when you are subtracting 2, you're going back 2 numbers. So let's just start with the first one. 7 take away 2. You can just look in the table. 7 take away 2 is 7 take away 2 is 5. So the correct option is 5. You just go back by 2 numbers, so that would be 5. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 2. Let's just see how do we subtract 2. 10 take away 2. Either you can make 10 lines, or you can simply go back by 2 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just remove 2 of the lines. You can count the rest of them, or either 10, 9, 8. Just go back 2 numbers. The next one is 8. So 10 take away 8 is 2. Also, if you are perfect with backward counting, you can just go back by 2 numbers. That would be an easy method, but you can use any of the method. Okay, the next one is 6 take away 2. So you can simply go back by two numbers, 6, then 5, and then 4. That means 6 take away 2 is 4, or either you can make 6 lines. You have to remove 2 lines. You can count in rest of the lines. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 take away 2 is 4. Correct option is 4. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 9 take away 2. Okay, start with 9 and go back two numbers, 9, 8, and 7. That means 9 take away 2 is 7. So the correct option is 7. So the correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is 3 take away 2. So start with 3 and go back 2. So which is the correct option? 3 take away 2 is 1. So the correct option is 1. Okay, the next one, 10 take away 2. So start with 10 and go back two numbers, or either you can make just 10 lines and remove two of them and you can count the rest of the lines. You can use any method that is easy for you. So start with 10, go back two numbers. So 10, 9, and 8. So 10 take away 2 is 8. So the correct option is 8. 10 take away 2 is 8. Okay, the next one is 5 2. So which is the correct option? If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answers in the chat box. 5 take, you can just make 5 lines and you have to remove two of them. So you're left with 1, 2, 3. So 5 take away 2 is 3. So the correct option is, okay, the next one is 2 take away 2. So which is the correct option? You are given four of the options. They are 1, 2, 4, and 0. So which is the correct one? 2 take away 2 is, that would be 0. So 2 take away 2 is 0. The next one is 7 take away 2. So just make 7 lines, or either you can count back two numbers. So 7 take away 2 is, start with 7, go back two numbers, 7, 6, 5. So that means 7 take away 2 is 5. So the correct option is 5. The next 6 take away 2. So which is the correct option? So start counting with 6. Go back 2 numbers. So 6 take away 2 is 6 take away 2 is 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is 4 take away 2. So just make 4 lines, remove 2 of them, or either start with 4, go numbers. So which is the correct option? 4, 3, 2. So 4 take away 2 is 2. So the correct option is. Okay, the next one is 8, 2. So start with 8, go back 2 numbers. So it would be 8, 7, 6. That means 8 take away 2 is 6. So the correct option is 6. 8 take away 2 is 6. The next one is take away 2. So which is the correct option here? Give 8, 7, 9 and 6. So which is the correct one? 9 take away 2 is yes, it is 7. So 9 take away 2 is 7. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is subtracting 3. Now we're going to learn how do we subtract 3 from the numbers. So you can keep this very important table in your mind. Like 3 take away 3 is 0, 4 take away 3 is 1, 5 take away 3 is 2, 6 take away 3 is 7 take away 3 is 4, 8 take away 3 is 5, take away 3 is 6, 10 take away 3 is 7, 11 take away 3 is 8, 12 take away 3 is 9. So either you can table in your mind, or either you can do the same steps we have done with subtracting 1 and subtracting 2. The same way you can subtract 3. Let's just look at the example, that is 12 take 3. You can look in the table. So 12 take away 3 is 9. Here it is. 12 take away 3 is 9. Okay, the next one is 8 take away 3. So let's just do it on the 8 take away. You can make 8 lines, remove 3 of them, and you can count the rest of the lines. Either you can start with 8, go back 3 numbers this time, because you are subtracting 3, 8, 7, 6 and 5. These are the 3 numbers you go back. So 8 take away 3 is 5. So the correct option is 5. The next one is 10 take away 3. So start with 10, go back 3 numbers, 10, 9, 8, 7. So back 3 numbers, it would be 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. So the correct option is 7. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 3 take away 3. So which is the correct option? 3 take away 3 is 0. Okay, the next one is 12 take away 3. So you can use any method that is easy for you. Either you can make lines or either you can go back. So it would be 12, 11, 10 and 9. Just go back 3 numbers, that would be 9. So 12 take away 3 equals 9. 12 take away 3 is 9. So the correct option is 9. Next one is 9 take away 3. So start with 9 and go back 3 numbers. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just remove 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, just count the lines. You're left with 1, 2, 3. No, 9 take away 3 it is. Sorry, I thought it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 take away 3 is 6. But when you are working with greater numbers, making a line is a time taking method. So 9 take away 3 is 6. The next one is 11 take away 3. Start with 11, go back 3 numbers. So when you go back 3 numbers, the answer is 8. No one is writing answer in the chat box. Is it too difficult? Know the answers? You can just write down the answers in the chat box. 11 take away 3 is 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 6 take away 3. So start with 6 and go back 3 numbers. So which is the correct option? Three numbers, the answer is 3. 6 take away 3 is 3. So the correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 3. So which is the correct option? Start with 10 and go back 3 numbers. So it will be 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just remove 3 of the lines and you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. The correct option is, so 10 take away 3 is 7. The next one is 5 take away 3. So which is the correct option? If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answers in the chat box. So 5 take away 3 is 5 take away 3 is 2. The correct option is 2. The next one is 8 take away 3. So which is the correct? Start with 8, go back 3 numbers. So which is the correct option? It would be 5. So 8 take away 3 is 5. The next one is 4 take away 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1. 4 take away 3 is 1. The next one is 7 take away 3. Which is the correct option? You are given 4 of the options: 4, 10, 3, and 5. So which is the correct one? 7 take away 3 is 4. The correct option is. You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So if you still want help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. We're going to learn how do we subtract 4 next lesson. So you have to subtract the 4 same way we did subtracting 3, 2, and 1. So let's just start with the first example, that is 11 take away 4. Can remember the table given, that is 4 take away 4 is 0. 5 subtract 4 is 1. 6 subtract 4 is 2. Subtract 4 is 3. Take away 4 is 4. 9 take away 4 is 5. 10 take away 4 is 6. 11 take away 4 is 7. 12 take away 4 is 8, and 13 take away 4 is 9. So your question you are given is 11 take away 4. You can have a look on the table. So 11 take away 4 is 11 take away 4 is 7. So the correct option is 7. Let's just look at the other example, that is 8 take away 4. So you can use any method, but when you are working on the greater and greater numbers, going back is also a difficult method, and also making line is a difficult method. So they are very easy. You just have Probably you can see me now. Also, you can hear me now. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. The first one is 9 take away 4. So 9 take away 4 is, the first one is 9 take away 4. So you can just make 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remove 4 of them. You can count the rest of the lines. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 take away 4 is 5. Also, when you're subtracting 4, you have to go back 4 numbers. So 9 take away 4 is 5. The next one is 12 take away 4. So let's just start with 12 and go back 4 numbers. So it would be 12, 11, 10, 9, and the fourth one is 8. So when you go back 4 numbers, it would be 8. So 12 take away 4 is 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 11 take away 4. So start with 11 and go back 4 numbers. So which is the correct option? 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. So when you subtract 4 from 11, that would be 7. 11 take away 4 is 7. So the correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is 6 take away 4. So start with 6 and go back 4 numbers. So it would be 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. So it would be 2. That means 6 take away 4 is 2. So the correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is 7 take away 4. So 7 take away 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just remove 4 lines and you're left with 1, 2, 3. So 7 take away 4 is 3. The correct option is 3. 7 take away 4 is 3. The next one is 4 take away 4. So which is the correct option? Subtracting a number from itself makes 0. 4 take away 4, you are subtracting from 4 from itself. So it would be 0. The correct option is 0. The next one is 5 take away 4. So start with 5, go back 4 numbers. So it would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you go back 4 numbers, you will be on 1. So 5 take away 4 is 1. Correct option is 1. The next one is 13 take away 4. So start with 13 and go back 4 numbers. So it would be 13, 12, 11, 10. And when you go back 4 numbers, you are on 9. So 13 take away 4 is 9. So the correct option is 9. The next one is 10 take away 4. So it is 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So when you start with 10, go back 4 numbers, you end up on 6. So 10 take away 4 is 6. The next one is 8 take away 4. So start with 8 and go back 4 numbers. 8, 7, 6, 5. So you end up on 4. So that means 8 take away 4 is 4. The correct option is 4. 8 take away 4 is 4. Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 maths. The chapter we are working on is grade 1 subtraction skill builders, and we have covered 4 of the lessons. They are subtracting 1, subtracting 2, subtracting 3, and subtracting 4. So please make sure you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can just ask. I'm waiting for the questions from your side. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.